Let me hold you for the last time. It's the last chance to feel again. But you broke me, now I can't feel anything. When I love you, it's so untrue. I can't even convince myself. When I'm speaking, it's the voice of someone else. Oh, it tears me up. I try to hold on, but it hurts too much. I try to forgive, but it's not enough to make it all okay. You can't play your broken strings. You can't feel anything that your heart don't want to feel. I can't tell you something that ain't real. Oh, the truth hurts, the lies worse. How could I give any more when I love you a little less than before? Hey, Drew James here from LearnGuitarInLondon.com. I hope you're having a great day. I'm playing Broken Strings by James Morisson and Nelly Furtado. This was requested on one of my lessons like years ago now, and I've been meaning to do it. So it just goes to show, guys, if you do leave a comment below the video saying a song that you want to learn, if it gets enough thumbs up and it gets noticed by me, then I will make it for you. And I think that this is just a terrific beginner's lesson. You just need a handful of chords, 5 or 6 chords, which I will show you how to play. And if you know how to play them, I'll show you how to skip along to start playing the song and enjoying it. Let's start learning how to play it. You're going to love it. Now, this song has 5 chords. I'm going to tell you what those chords are. If you know them, then you can just skip along into the video to start putting it all together. A minor, C, F, which you can use the beginner's F for or full bar depending on what you're comfortable with, D minor and G. So those chords again, A minor, C, F, D minor and G. I'm going to show you those chords now, but if you know them, move ahead. A minor, and by the way, for this song, I've got my capo on fret 1 to be the same key as the original if you're singing along. So this is fret 1 on the B string on the 1st fret. You put your index finger there, middle finger on fret 2 on the D string, and ring finger on fret 3 on the G string. Eddie 8, Dynamite Goodbye, Eddie, E-A-D-G-B-E. Okay, so that's your A minor. For that you strum the bottom 5. For the C, I always like doing this change from A minor to C. It happens a lot in songs. We're going to leave our index and middle finger where they are on frets 1 and 2. And we're going to take this ring finger, lift it up and just stretch our fingers over, thumb further around the back, pushing the wrist forwards to reach for this chord, this 3 fret stretch, on fret 3 on the A string. And you're going to strum the bottom 5. Your F chord, quite simply, you're going to peel these fingers away, leave that one where it is on fret 1 on the B string, put your middle finger on fret 2 on the G, and ring finger on fret 3 on the D, and strum the bottom 4. Your D minor, index finger on fret 1 on the thinnest, middle finger on fret 2 on the G, and ring finger on fret 3 on the B, and you strum the bottom 4. And G, index on fret 2 on the A, middle finger on fret 3 on the thickest string, and ring finger on fret 3 also on the thinnest string. Okay, A minor, C, F, D minor, G. Okay. So this song really is very beginner friendly. It's just 2 rhythm patterns throughout the whole thing and a little bit of holding of chords. So you'll find this one really good for working on your beginner's chords. It's a really good sing-along for that. So we're keeping a speed of 112 BPM with your metronome if that's what you decide to do. It kind of means this sort of speed. Okay, so we're going to start with an A minor, and we're only going to be strumming the A, D and G string of the A minor. Now you don't need to be really sort of pernickety about that. Let me just zoom in so you can see that a little closer. You don't need to be too picky with that. You're just going to keep a little mini strumming pattern going with your plectrum as you hold, okay? So we're going to go 8 times, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then change to C chord and do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's the rhythm pattern for all of these verses. You do 8 strums using these little strums. Please don't go... This is called washboard strumming. You're basically hitting all the strings and making a right racket. We want it to be quiet in the beginning. We want it to get louder as we go through the song, and that's what makes the difference between a beginner player and a more experienced player. So perhaps give this a try straight off the bat. So A minor, let me A minor for the C. F's coming up. It's the F chance to F again. Now that F, we do 2 bars of it, so 2 sets of 8. F, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, but you A minor. Now I see any F. Then D minor. Now with D minor, you just strum the middle 2 strings, 2 and 3 and 4 and... Okay, let me do that for you again. Let me A minor for the C. It's the F chance to F again, F. But you A minor, now I C and F. Then D minor. Now we're going to repeat that, and A minor, maybe getting a bit louder, C, strumming more strings, F, convince my F, and A minor, it's the C of someone F, and D minor. Hold it. Now on this, you've got an F, and you're going to strum it and hold it for 4 beats. 1, just 2 beats. 1, 2, G, 2, A minor, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I just had to figure that out myself. So you do F for just a count of 2. F, G, A minor, 2, 3, 4. You hold that A minor for 4. F, G, A minor, 2, 3. Repeat. F, G, but it E minor too much. Oh, sorry, there's 6 chords in this. There's an E minor in there, my mistake. So we've got F, G, E minor too much, 3, 4. F, G, but E minor enough to F it all okay. Okay. Now, there's a little bit more that you need to know. That a really good way of knowing when to play there is to use the words, to be honest with you. The words will really guide you when to strum, and it should be quite natural. But this little bit on Make It All Okay, you're going to need, to make it sound like the song, you're just going to need to count in your head a little bit, okay? So I'm going to take it from the pre-chorus again, from the F. Oh, with F, G, A minor, 2, 3, 4, F and G, E minor too much, F and G, but it's E minor enough to F it all okay. Okay, so we've got this F, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4 that. So we're going to be changing to a C chord, going down, up, but it's happening halfway through the bar. I'll show you what I mean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4 that. Okay, and that's you can't. That's the beginning of the chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. You can't play. Now we're into our chorus. Okay, so the rhythm for the chorus is down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So every chord that I tell you, you're going to be doing that rhythm pattern. So I'm going to take you through the chords slowly and sing them out, because I think that's a good way of learning it. You can't D minor on A minor. You can't sing any G. That your D minor don't want to A minor. I can't see something that ain't G. Oh, the F hurts. A minor into your chorus. I'll do it a little bit faster. I'll just call out the chords and I won't sing it this time, so you've got it. I'm going to go from the Make It All Okay. Not enough to make it all okay. 1, 2. You can't play A minor, C, G coming up, D minor, A minor, C, and G. Then you've got an F, A minor, C, G, D minor, A minor, and G. Then you do another G, then you're back to verse. This time they strum and hold it. We are turning into dust. F, A in A minor, in the ruined sea of F, D, and then D minor. Then back to that down strumming. Back through the fire, and there's nothing left to save. It's A minor and C when it's 2F. Then D, and then we do the pre-chorus and it repeats. Da, 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 da. One, two, so on and so forth into that last chorus. So nice and simple, this one. Just a few chords. Keep an eye on your rhythm as you go. If you want to be confident, play it to 112 BPM at the metronome with all parts. You'll really enjoy it. Have fun.